Happy 4th of July. We're going to take the yacht out today into Galveston Bay with some friends, drop the anchor, sit on the hook, have some snacks, couple beverages, maybe swim, and then after dark they bring a barge in, they do fireworks. So we'll catch some footage out there on the water for you and let you check it out. All right, here we are sitting out in the Galveston Bay just off of Seabrook and Kemah Boardwalk, waiting for the sun to go down so the 4th of July fireworks can begin. It is. Enjoying the yachting life.
All right, guys, are you enjoying the water? Hey, you say you want a video? Smile.
I don't have my beer, but I don't need it.
I need a single water ski.
Okay. Alright, there's everyone here. Say hi.
That's a big boat.
And hi.
From this point of view, it looks pretty big. There you go.
No.
Well, check out that crazy cloud.
We're sitting on the deck. The playgrounds. I saw a comet. Like maybe 3 years ago.
Wow.
We are in the 4th of July. The 3 minutes over there in the water.
Oh yeah, shit, we're drifting away. Forgot the thing.
And there's our friends.
We're supposed to keep everyone alive.
Yes. That's why we have that Okay, here we go. It's sun's getting a little lower on the horizon. And here comes the fireworks barge for this evening's display.
Oh yeah.
I tell me, don't tell me. I'm like, don't tell me when you're doing this. I can't.
Yeah, you ought to run one of those things.
Well, it's almost time for the fireworks here, but the neighboring ports are already started their displays, and ours will be right over here shortly. Happy 4th of July.
I think that's it.